A number of people have made testimonies about their mothers. And when you look at the word mother, M will stand for mentor. Our mothers are mentors. O will stand for outstanding in terms of love, in terms of sacrifice, in terms of care. Look at mother, the way you take care of, you sacrifice and train up these children. He will stand for tender-hearted. You are compassionate, kindness, and patience. Hard working. Look at the old mothers in our homes, where they provide and nurture. He will go for encourager, others who inspire and uplift. R will stand for role model. They are examples of faith. And even in the Bible, we will see mothers who are models for their children and their grandchildren. Mothers are faithful and they are accountable. When you look at Abraham, this is what Abraham Lincoln said. All that I am or hope to be, I owe it to my angel mother. That is the 16th president of the USA. When he looks, that was a tribute that he was giving his mother because of the influence the mother had in his life. Benjamin West, he was an 18th century American painter. This is what he said: a kiss from my mother made me a painter. Koranda bangina bakunyunto mwana karule sukuru. Omobeka kabiso monyunyunta. A kiss from my mother made that gentleman what? A painter. We have a famous inventor called Thomas Edison, who said about the mother, my mother was the making of me, a great influence. And I would go on and mention a number of people who have made statements, serious statements about their mothers. And you know, some of these statements, people are tracing it back to a time they were young. Train up a child in the way he should go. And when he's old, he will not do what? Depart from it. Do not forget that we are talking about raising a generation for Christ. George Eliot, this is a name that he gave himself. He was a British novelist and a poet. Said, life began with waking up and loving my mother's face. I do not know whether our children are mothers who are here. Every time they wake up, are they loving your face?